Hey there, my name is Steve Carmichael. And for those of you that don't know, my wife and I run a business for many years called Carmichael Enterprises LLC. And basically, we're all about helping people find ways to live healthier lives. And if we can save them some money in the process, that's what we like to do. So very specifically, I'm here today to share with you about a product that our company represents. It's called SteadyPower. Most people haven't heard of it, but I want to share with you what this will do for you in your home. And a steady power, as it implies, it steadies the power. It eliminates the spikes that your appliances, for example, cause. Every time your HVAC kicks on, your sump pump, a fan in the bathroom, that motor needs some extra energy, right, in order to get it going. And then just like cruise control, it doesn't burn, quite as much electrical energy. Well, when those come on and creates a spike, that goes out to your power meter and it registers to the power company, and you pay more for your bill because of those spikes. So what we did is about 4 months ago, we had an electrician install this SteadyPower in our home, and now we have 3 full months of bills that have come to us. And what we have found is that our electric bill is about $100, a little more, less each month than they were last year. And that could come from a variety of things. But the kilowatt hours used is 50% less. In fact, it's 50.5% less each month. Well, our bill didn't drop 50% because part of your bill, there's a base rate that you're going to be charged no matter what your kilowatt hours is. So what we're experiencing is a great reduction in our kilowatt hour usage. So we're eliminating the spikes, we're eliminating the electromagnetic frequencies, which are not healthy, and those are things that can also interfere with like radio, TV transmissions, fluorescent lights, if they're humming and buzzing. It's going to help with those things. So this is a device that you can literally, have it installed and you forget about it for the most part until you get your power bill. And then you get to see what's the reduction. And we really can't predict the amount of reduction in your power bill because depending on the type of appliances that you have, the number of appliances, how often your sump pump comes on and off, that's going to make a difference. But we waited to share this information because we wanted to see what would this device do in our own home. And check this out. It comes with a 10-year warranty, and it gets between you and your circuit board, okay, where all your switches are. If anything gets through this, there's a $25,000, I call it a life insurance policy for the life of your electronics. So if anything gets through this and messes up with your electronics, it helps to cover that cost. And it also comes with a 10-year warranty. So it is kind of an install it and forget it kind of product to save you money, have a healthier home, and reduce those spikes that are causing your power bill to be higher than it needs to be. And I don't know about you, but I know our power bill, our cost per kilowatt hours is continuing to go up, and there's no end in sight for that. So, if you'd like to know more, just reach out to us. We're happy to share. And as I like to say, learning is always free, but not learning can actually be very expensive. Okay, so thanks and bye for now.